In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename projects in Canva. This process is simple yet essential for keeping your designs organized and easy to find. Whether you manage multiple projects at once or just like things neat and tidy, knowing how to quickly and efficiently rename your projects in Canva will streamline your workflow. So, let's get started. Once you're in Canva, navigate to the project you wish to rename. Upon opening your project, at the very top of your screen, you will see the current name of the project. Often this might be a default or auto-generated title that doesn't fully capture the essence of what you're working on. Identifying this area at the start is crucial because it sets the foundation for how you will store and locate your projects later on. It's a simple step, but one that makes a big difference in project management, especially as your digital library grows. To rename your project, take your cursor and hover over the title. You'll want to double click directly on the name. A text box should appear highlighting the current title. This is where you can delete or modify the existing name and input the new name that fits your project better. Be mindful when choosing your new title. Select a name that is both descriptive and memorable. This will help you recognize and retrieve it easily in the future. Think about keywords or details that define the essence of what the project entails. As you're typing, make sure there are no typos and that it accurately represents the project's content. Once you're satisfied with the new name, it's important to click outside of the text box or press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will save the new title and update it automatically in your Canva dashboard. It's as simple as that. Renaming your projects might seem like a minor task, but it's incredibly beneficial. Not only does it help maintain organization, but it also ensures a smoother collaborative process if you're working with a team or sharing your designs. It allows everyone involved to be on the same page and easily find the project they need. To wrap up, the ability to rename your projects in Canva quickly and easily is a small but powerful skill. It enhances your productivity by keeping your space in Canva visually organized and user-friendly. The next time you start a new project, remember to set a clear, concise name right from the beginning. I hope you find this guide helpful and that your design process becomes as seamless as possible. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips to enhance your Canva experience.